Y'all, I finally got my place. I will be showing you a home tour once I get everything packed inside, so see you there. So here's the front of the house, and I'm getting hit by trees. The good thing about it, you only need a coat to get in. Can't let you see where I'm at, or someone comes gets me. So when you walk in, here's the toilet. So, and excuse the mess, but here's our living room, dining area. And this is our kitchen. Excuse the mess, we're moving in. Here's the pantry. Harry Potter will probably make a visit because he lived under the stairs. And then this is our garage. So nothing too fancy. And then our washer and dryer. And then dishwasher, thank God, because I hate manually washing dishes. And here we go up the stairs. About to get my workout on, and sorry if I'm out of breath. I am, because I've been going up and down these stairs all day trying to move in. Here's my sister-in-law's room, their walk-in closet, and their bathroom. This is their little storage place. They get the slide-in walk-in shower. I get a tub, as I should, since I'm the one that likes bubble baths. But this is our room. Right now we have an inflatable mattress. And of course, look at my beautiful walk-in closet. And then our bathroom. The bathtub is nice and deep, which I like the deeper ones. And then here's our bathroom, little toilet, and places to put all our stuff in. So yeah, this is the house tour. And this is what our outside looks like. We're in an apartment complex for right now, but beggars can't be choosers. I got whatever I could get at the moment. I will, as I'm going downstairs before I fall, I will be making another video of everything put together, what it looks like furnished and everything, and the new setup for the bathroom and other cool stuff. But this is it, and look how my husband will hit his head on this, honestly, because that's too low. But yeah, it's doable for how big our family is, so that's a plus. But the rooms are kind of a little small, but it's perfect for our situation right now. So at least we got something, and then yeah, I'm happy we just got something to live in. So yeah, so stay tuned a little later in the video, and I will give you a furnished, probably not all the way furnished, but a room tour once I set everything up. I'm back, and I actually did my makeup this time. I felt like doing some makeup, so I did a fall inspired look, and then added some lashes. I got these lashes off Amazon. I wanted to try some off of Amazon, so right now I'm watching Ms. and Mrs. Such a good show. I just finished watching the first episode of season 2 of the Kardashians, but I'm on my air mattress right now. I don't think I'm gonna get a bed just because it's just easier with an air mattress, and I don't feel like bringing a whole bed up here. And then I have my backpacks right there. This is our TV setup, and then we have the dresser, the Wi-Fi box. I did my husband's paintings and stuff right there. My kids are playing right there, and then I will show you the rest of the house. I'll probably just show my bedroom for now. Sorry if you hear them, they're playing in the little hallway here. But I will show you my closet. It's not the best because I need to get some dressers, but it is doable for now. So let's get into the closet. Excuse the mess, but this is the bedroom. This is my husband's setup. Oh, I know there's a lot of trash on the floor, but it is what it is. This is my closet. Excuse the mess again. But I had organized my clothes to shirts. My bras are right here. Dresses, skirts, long sleeve jackets, or any covers, outfits, and pants / shorts. Then my husband, and then my anime shirts are right here too. So I have my Naruto stuff. Then my husband has anime, work, going out clothes, jackets, and sweatpants. And then here is the bathroom. Oh my gosh, of course there's toilet paper. Excuse it. But this is kind of the closet. I know where to put this dresser at, so I just put it in here. It's a little messy, but at least you're seeing what it is. This is the shower. All our stuff is just right there because we have nowhere else to put it. but this is what it looks like so far.
You better cut me out of that.
It's for my YouTube girl.
Exactly. They're saying